Welcome to this channel of all Amway. In this video we are going to talk about Nutrilite Vegetable Protein. In this video I am going to tell you 12 benefits of consuming Nutrilite Vegetable Protein. Stay to watch this video until the end. "12 Benefits of consuming vegetable protein powder. Helps in the growth and maintenance of muscle mass. It can be a good alternative for vegans or vegetarians looking to increase their protein intake. It is a clean source of protein and low in saturated fat, contributes to muscle recovery after exercise. May help reduce muscle fatigue. Contributes to the maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. May improve satiety and aid in weight loss. It is easy to prepare and can be a convenient option for people short on time. Improves digestion. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. May be a more sustainable and environmentally friendly source of protein than animal protein. It is a complete protein source that contains all the essential amino acids necessary for health.